The mind is the starting point of every achievement and every failure. Earl Nightingale, known as the Dean of Personal Development, taught us that success begins with a clear goal and a determined mindset. What you think about most is what you become. When you learn to control your thoughts and focus your energy on your desires, you unlock your true potential. Success is not a matter of chance, but a matter of choice and discipline. The road to a better life is paved by the power of your own mind. This video will take you on a journey to master your mindset, overcome limits, and build lasting success. Inspired by Earl Nightingale's timeless wisdom. The power of thought. You become what you think about most of the time. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. You are at your very best when your expectations are at their highest. Your attitude toward money determines money's attitude toward you. Don't wait for opportunity to come knocking. Build the door yourself. Your success is dependent upon your ability to take initiative and act. Thoughts are things that are created from the mind. People who succeed have momentum. The more they succeed, the more they want to succeed. Everything begins with an idea. What the mind can conceive, it can achieve. A goal is a dream with a deadline. We become what we think about all day long. There is no such thing as failure. Failure is only feedback. Success is attracted by the person who becomes success conscious. Problems are only opportunities in work clothes. Your greatest resource is your own mind. The only limitations are those you set up in your own mind. The key to success is to focus our conscious mind on things we desire, not things we fear. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Courage is the foundation of integrity and persistence. Overcoming limits. The greatest limitation you will ever face is the one you accept. Don't be afraid to give up the good, to go for the great. Success demands a positive mental attitude and persistent action. Your problem is to decide what you want, not how to get it. The biggest mistake people make is fearing failure more than they desire success. There are no failures, only experiences and your reactions to them. Your attitude is more important than your capabilities. People who stop learning, stop growing, and stop living. Persistence will break down resistance and open the door to opportunity. The mind is like a parachute. It works best when open. Excuses are the nails used to build a house. A failure. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Change your habits, and you change your destiny. Success is not measured by what you have, but by what you give. Success comes to those who act with purpose. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Self-doubt is the greatest enemy of success. Your habits will determine your future. Set your goals high and do not stop until you get there. The only limits are those you place on yourself. Think big, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people. Building lasting success. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Your daily habits determine your success or your failure. Success requires patience, persistence, and unwavering faith. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. You can measure success by the positive impact you have on others. Leaders are readers. Those who never stop learning grow endlessly. A clear goal and a burning desire are the foundation of all achievement. True success is living a life of purpose, passion, and contribution. Develop a success-conscious mind, and success will follow naturally. Taking responsibility for your life is the first step to success. Set your sights on the stars and keep your feet on the ground. Your mind is your greatest asset. Invest in it daily. Success is built by small, consistent steps over time. Surround yourself with those who support your vision and your growth. The quality of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts and actions. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Let them teach you. What you do today shapes your tomorrow. Keep your eyes on the goal and never give up. The difference between success and failure is a habit. Build mental toughness by overcoming daily challenges. Success is earned, not given. It requires work and belief. Believe in yourself even when others doubt you. The mind that is prepared for success attracts success. Never stop growing, learning, and improving yourself. Success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process. You can achieve anything if you believe and act consistently. You become what you think. Success begins in silence and grows through discipline. Your mind is the architect. Your habits lay the bricks. Every thought is either a limit or the start of your legacy.